Hi friends, this is Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique.
So in this video, I just going to show how to wrap the text on your Google Docs. So just select the image that you want to wrap with the text and just resize it according to your use. So after resizing, you can see a lot of the options are here to wrap the text. So you just click on the advanced option, just click on the three dot image option, and here you just need to click on the adjustment. So now you can see a pop-up on the right side. You can see options. There are a lot of the options. You just click on the text wrapping option here. Then here there is a 5 stage of text wrapping. So inline with text, wrap the text, break the text, behind the text, and in front of text. So you just need to click on the second option called wrap text. So you can see the text has been on the side, so it's automatically wrapped, and you can move it on any paragraph, so it will be automatically wrapped. The text will be wrapped. For an example, I the paragraph started, so the text over here, and if you resize it automatically, it will be adjust, and the text and paragraph will be automatically have a format to according to your document. It will be automatically wrapped with the text, and the image can be moved on either side of your document. You can put everywhere, and the text will be automatically aligned according to the image that you placed. So this is so easy, and you can use it on your document to submit your project, school projects or college project according to your use. So I think this video helped you a lot. If it really helped you a lot, just like this video, share this video with your friends, college friends, and don't forget to click on subscribe button below. If you want more videos about Google Docs, just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with your super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.